Let's identify the formal charge for these three compounds. Aluminum normally has 3 valence electrons. Let's see how many aluminum has in this compound. Aluminum has 4 bonds. From each bond, it will receive 1 electron. So that gives it owns 4 electrons. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So there's a minus formal charge on the aluminum. Let's look at the hydronium next. The oxygen here would like to have 6 electrons. That's its normal valence. It has 3 bonds. From each bond, it will receive 1 electron. It also has a lone pair. That's 2 more electrons that are owned or held just by the oxygen. So 6 minus 5 gives us a positive 1, and the oxygen here has a positive formal charge. So lastly, let's look at the carbon. Carbon normally has a valence of 4. Here it has 3 bonds. From each bond it receives 1 electron, so that gives it 3 electrons that it holds. 4 minus 3 is, of course, 1, and so this will be have a positive charge.